Just let me say I'm excited. You gonna be my wife. I can't imagine what it's like to wake up to you and go to bed with you. We don't need to say goodbye. I'll tell you bedtime stories, and you pretend they're not boring. One day we'll have a house of our very own, and we'll make it our home, and I'll do anything for you. It's just two little words, they're gonna change my world. 3 letters in all, and I'll mean them with all I got. We gonna say I do. We gonna say I do. And though the world may try to catch up to us, we'll be alright because we ain't got nothing to prove. You know you got me forever. It's you and me together. One day we'll make a little family, but now it's you and me, and I'm as happy as ever. So don't you worry about a thing, I got your back, don't you see? You got your dress, I got my suit, and now we're ready to be. Hold your breath and close your eyes and make a wish this time, 'cause mine is standing before me. It's just 2 little words, they're gonna change my world. 3 letters in all, and I'll mean them with all I got. We gon' say I do. We gonna say I do, yeah. Though the world may try to catch up to us, we'll be alright because we ain't got nothing to prove. We gon' say I do. We gon' say I do, yeah. Though the world may try to catch up to us, we'll be alright because we ain't got nothing to prove. We gonna say I do.